we are here gathered to commemorate the annual anniversary Urs Sharif, Ameerul Mujahideen, Allama Khadim Hussain Rizvi, Rahmatullah alayh. And the topic on which I will have to deliver my speech is about Muslim in the eyes of non-great Muslim leaders. Ya ayyuhan nabiyyu jahidul kuffara wal munafiqina waghluz alayhim wa ma'ahum jahannam wa bi'sal masir. O Prophet, peace be upon him, strive against the disbelievers and hypocrites and urge with them their abode is hell and their everlasting destination. Today I would like to discuss how some of the most respected leaders and intellectuals who are not Muslim by themselves have admired them.
Labaik, Ya Rasulullah, Labaik, 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 Ya Rasulullah, Labaik, 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 Ya.
मोहम्मद का दर छोड़कर जाने वालों